Welcome to the Walk in Warfare podcast. My name is Anthony. Let's answer today's question. Many Christians want to follow God's guidance in their lives. They want to make decisions that honor Him, but sometimes it can be difficult to know whether God is truly guiding a situation or whether we are simply following our own ideas. People often ask, how do I know if God is leading me? The Bible does not usually describe God guiding people through constant dramatic signs or audible voices. Instead, His guidance often unfolds through several consistent ways. One of the most important is through Scripture. God will never guide someone in a direction that contradicts what He has already revealed in His Word. Psalm 119:105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." Just as a lamp illuminates the next step on a dark road, Scripture helps us see the direction that aligns with God's character and wisdom. Another way God often guides people is through growing wisdom. As we spend time with God, our ability to recognize what is good, wise, and faithful begins to mature. James 1:5 gives this encouragement. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all without reproach. God delights in helping His people grow in discernment. Prayer is also an important part of seeking God's guidance. Prayer is not only about asking for answers, it is about aligning our hearts with God's perspective. Sometimes clarity comes gradually as we bring decisions before Him and remain open to His direction. God also often uses wise counsel. Proverbs 11:14 says, "In an abundance of counselors there is safety." Talking with mature believers can provide perspective we might not see on our own. God frequently uses the wisdom of others to help confirm a direction, and sometimes guidance becomes clear through circumstances. Doors open, opportunities appear, or certain paths simply do not move forward. While circumstances alone should not determine decisions, they can be part of how God gently shapes our path. Over the years, I've learned that God's guidance is rarely about perfect certainty in every moment. Often, it is about walking faithfully with the information we have while trusting Him with what we cannot see yet. Proverbs 3:5-6 offers a helpful reminder. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. God's guidance often becomes clearer as we continue walking with Him step by step. And as we learn to trust Him, we discover that He is more than capable of directing the path ahead. Thanks for watching Walk in Warfare. If this episode encouraged you and you'd like to support the work we're doing, you can find that link in the description. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a future episode, leave it in the comments. It might just be the next one we answer.